and welcome, my friends. This is now day 67 of the carnivore diet. I've got another amazing update for you. I went somewhere to get my eyes checked, and I've got to tell you some amazing results.
Sizzle Serve Yum.
All right, this is Sizzle Serve Yum, where I've transitioned from the ketogenic diet all the way to full-time carnivore, and I've got another amazing update for you. Today, I went to the eye doctor, and I needed to be able to get my yearly eye checkup, and I gotta tell you, I am blown away. Now, I have stigma in one eye, so I cannot see like text up close. I don't know if it's called nearsighted, farsighted. I always get them mixed up. But today I went to the doctor. They gave me like 4 different eye exams. One that blows air in your eye, and I guess another one is supposed to be, they don't dilate your eyes, but you have to press your eye up against this machine. And it was just really interesting to see all of these different pieces of technology that they have now. And there was a new doctor there. The new doctor looks at my old chart from last year. He puts me through all the tests. And I noticed that the small text that I would normally not be able to read, I was actually proud of myself and I was able to read it. He tells me that my prescription from last year is too strong. What'd I say? This is exactly why the carnivore diet works. I've now told you proof over a few weeks. One, my A1C levels was probably sky high way before I went to go to my doctor, and I went 30 days later, and it was at 7.1, which we're going to get that down. Then I went to my dentist, and my dentist told me I no longer have gingivitis or receding gums. And now I've gone to the eye doctor, and the eye doctor has told me my vision has gotten improved and I don't need as strong as a prescription as I needed last year. So I had to share that update with you because I just felt that the carnivore diet works. It works. And so I've only been 67 days into it. I cannot wait to see how next year, this time, I'm going to be feeling and how it's already transformed my body. I looked at I didn't realize my hair was so crazy, y'all. There was a big breeze and it's hot and humid. So, my hair's going to puff up. Anyway, so I realized that I've already started changing. I'm starting to see the changes in my face. Someone had said that my face is less puffy, and I've got to agree with that. I'm going to show you a picture I did not want to show y'all. You're going to see it somewhere here. All right, so that picture, you could see the chins, right? And I was just like, oh my gosh, I have got to lose weight when I seen that picture. But now I feel great about myself. I'm making great food choices, and I'm not compromising. I'm not compromising my dignity also when I'm eating meat. When I was doing that with carbs and donuts and cakes, I always felt like I had to sneak. I always felt like I had to eat that in private because somebody might make fun of me because I'm fat and I'm eating. I used to have that kind of insecurity about food. Now I don't care. I'm like, I'm going to just eat this plate of meat and I'm going to feel good. So anyway, just wanted to share that good news with you. So now you see carnivore diet does help with eyesight. Carnivore diet does help with eyesight. And I will see you in the next video. Take care, my friends.